Hey friends, it is Mel Adair here with the Friendship Revolution, and today I'm giving you 2 tips on building closer friendships in the next 4 months. So here's tip number 1, plan an event. Try to avoid weekends where there are holidays unless you know that people are going to be in town. But plan an event that has a fun theme and some activities. So if it's summertime, that's easy. You can plan a barbecue and maybe give it a fun twist like a luau. Pinterest has tons of ideas on themed parties for any time of the year and activities to go with those parties. So themed parties are always fun. So pick a day that's going to work for you or a couple days that you can be flexible with. The second thing you're going to do is you are going to start identifying people that you want to come to your event. And these are people that you are wanting to foster closer relationships with. These are high quality people that practice honesty, that aren't town gossips, that are trustworthy and wise. These are people that when you share something with them, you know that you're gonna get great feedback. So sometimes you don't know a great quality person until you've spent time with people that you connect with. But first start identifying some of those quality people that you do know and add them to a list. Then start adding to that list people that you connect with really, really well. And so maybe you've only seen this person once or twice, but add those people to a list. Then the third types of people that you're going to add to your list are going to be neighbors or acquaintances that you get along with well, or that it would be wise to build friendships with. So maybe they have different walks of life, or they are older than you or younger than you. It's important to make sure that we have a variety of people in our lives to give us different perspectives on things and to grow us as people. So what you would do between now and about a month and a half is you're going to start fostering relationships with those people that are on your list. If you have a list of 40 people, even 30 people, sometimes 20 people, that can be too many. The goal here is to have deeper relationships in the next 3 or 4 months. So what you're going to do is contact these people. Maybe it's through social media and you start liking, commenting on their feed, or you start to get to know their family and you see when something negative happens in their lives and you can offer encouragement and support, or you see something good in their life and you can celebrate with them. Whatever that is, you are going to start to get to know these people. If they are not on social media, then this is a great opportunity for you to pick up the phone, send an email, or otherwise connect with these people and start genuinely caring about them. That's what relationship is. It's genuinely caring for one another. And after you have started to genuinely care and genuinely express your care for these people, then you're going to let them know that you have an event that you're going to be hosting in another month and a half. So after you have nurtured these relationships for the next month or 6 weeks, then you're going to let them know that you have an event coming and you would love for them to come. You would love to get to know them better. We all have a need for connection. We all need friendship, and sometimes being the one to initiate that is what it takes for that friendship to happen. I hope that you have found this helpful. I would love to hear your tips and resources below. Please post. We also post great resources and other hacks and links below every single video. So ring the bell here so that you can get notified of future videos, and please subscribe to our station, and don't forget to comment and check out our links below. We'll catch you the next time.